So student, we have just completed this drawing, that is electrical power supply for commercial kitchen, step by step, and these are the steps for electrical power supply layout for commercial kitchen. The first step we have completed, that is introduction of kitchen equipment with the wattage and tag numbers. We have given the tag numbers. Then location of switches and socket for each electric kitchen equipment that we have done. The third one is wiring connection or the cable connection from the main DB to switch and socket to electrical kitchen equipment. We have done that. Then fourth number is the power supply point legend, that we have given the power supply point legend. Here is the electrical legend, the power supply point. There is single switch, single pin socket, 3-pin socket, electrical power supply point. These are the number of power supply points that we have given. Fifth number is list of kitchen electric equipment. The list of kitchen electric equipment we have given with the tag number, kitchen equipment name, quantity, power requirement and the phase, whether it is single phase or the 3-phase. Sixth number is power distribution schematic diagram. Now we are going to prepare the power distribution schematic diagram. In this diagram, we will learn how to design the power schematic. So this is the layout for the power supply schematic for the commercial kitchen. Let's start the schematic diagram. In this diagram, I'll design the main DB. This is kitchen electric DB. So I'll give the name. This is main DB for kitchen electrical equipment. Main DB, that is main distribution board for kitchen electrical equipment. So here is the main DB. There are actually two types of DB required for the kitchen. One is for main DB for kitchen electrical equipment, and another DB for lighting, that is lighting distribution board is also there. So in this diagram, I'll distribute the DB into two parts. One is for kitchen and another is for LED lighting. So another DB is for electrical lighting. This is the schematic diagram that I am preparing right now. DB for LED lighting, and the power is coming from main circuit breaker, 3-phase, 415 volts. So enter this main DB. Firstly, I will draw the main DB and then the DB for LED lighting. So in main DB for kitchen electrical equipment, we required NCB, NCCB, RCB and ELCB. This is MCCB symbol. So I'll mention over here, this is main MCCB. Here it is MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker. This MCCB called molded circuit breaker. Then RCCB, residual circuit breaker. And this is ELCB, earthing leakage circuit breaker. So these are the main circuit breakers required into the main DB. So this is the bus bar. This is called bus bar. Now from this bus bar or from this main electrical DB, we required the multiple connections for the sub DB, that is sub distribution board is also there into each and every kitchen. So right now we have, these are the four main kitchens, that is all day dining kitchen, banquet cooking kitchen and the main kitchen. These are the three main kitchen is there, and these are the small kitchens like room service, then cold kitchen. These are the small kitchen. So we will make a four part for this entire kitchen. One is from this bus bar I will draw. I will start from here, that is all day dining kitchen. This is all day dining kitchen. Then next one is banquet kitchen, and the next is main kitchen, and this is rest of the kitchen area. Rest of the kitchen area. So these are the four main branches that I have done, and from this all day dining kitchen, which are the electrical equipment available into the kitchen. So on each kitchen we required 1 dB, that is called sub dB or the sub distribution board. So keep nearby a sub distribution board which can be easily accessed. So I'll put over here, this is called sub dB. This is the sub dB. So in this sub dB, all the electrical equipment power supply will be connected. So here in the all day dining, these are the equipments, that is K10, K17, K18 and K19. So from here we will draw like this. Let us take this distribution board symbol, that is sub dB. From here the branches for the kitchen electrical equipment will be like this. Something. This is the socket symbol. This is the typical socket symbol, like this. Make it bigger, something like this. So this is the socket and this is the switch symbol. So it will be something like this. Into this, what we required is so from here K10, K17, 18 and 19. So first is K10. K10, or here it is K17, K18 and K19.